Hey guys, part 3. I was going to try and do it in 2 parts, but as usual, one of the things that didn't go as quick as I thought it would, because this is took a bit of rescuing. Anyway, I've got a few ideas for this, but I've been thinking and thinking. I was going to do it, then weren't going to do it. So I'm going to leave my ideas in my head for now. I'm overcomplicating things, and I'm just going to put the base in for now. This is part 3, isn't it? I don't know if there's going to be a part 4. It depends where I decide to go with this. So right, let's cut that out. It is slightly oversized. But we will make it fit. So I'm just thinking how to do the corners. Right, let's cut it out to start with. Right, let's do the side with no fuel tap. This originally had 2 fuel taps. I'm only going to do 1 now because the tunnel's a lot lower. It's not really any different to a standard, I say standard, this is a standard Enfield tank, a later Enfield tank. So I'm just going to pop the 1 fuel tap in this one, which we will cut out of the old base. That'll do. Ain't too bad considering it's done with an hammer and hand. Right, so that's give us a straight-ish edge. I'll tell you what I'll do to play it safe. I'll go and get a bit of cardboard. Right, we've got a bit of cardboard. This will make life a bit easier. There we go, which you can see that. Sort of see where I'm going, I think. I think that's got it. Right, now we need to fold that up with my super high-tech bending machine. had a bit of a mess about. It's a bit of a fiddly job, but I think we might be getting close. Probably going to put a tack there. Can always break them back off. Oh, it's going. Got it. You little beauty. By putting that lip on it, you see, it's going to give us less chance of this all buckling up. We don't want it. We don't want no ripple smooth going on. Not on this tank. Okay. It's a bit bobbly, that is. I've got the welder set quite low. Right. A smaller hammer in there, that needs knocking out slightly. Right, let's do a bit of dressing up. Not as a woman or anything like that. I mean, the metalwork. So what we got here, as you can see that, we've just got that dropping in a bit. We just want to get that back flush. I can get right in the corner with this. There we go. It's flush again. All we'll do is weld all that corner in. Job's a good one. I don't know if you can see that. Just there. I've just got a high spot where I tried pinging it back out, so I'm just going to carefully. You notice I'm barely hitting it. I think she's gone. She's in. She's in. Show you. You might see a little mark there, but she's in. Right, I pressed on a bit with that. We'll call that, where are we? Part 3? I'm losing track. What it is, I'm doing this sort of spare time over several days, so it's quite easy to lose track where you are. So that's that side in then. I've started to weld it round and dress it up. I got the cardboard template ready for the other side. Well, I used the one from that side, and amazingly, literally, that's what I've trimmed off it. That's the difference. So that's not bad, considering what the tank started out like. Right. So I'll probably just get that in because I've got another idea for the tank. I'll have a little think about it before we create a part 4, and I think it'll work. and it'll make it look a bit different as well. Anyway, we get in there. We get in there. I'm quite pleased with it. I am. So, yeah, I'm going to have a think about this next idea, and we'll see how it goes in part 4. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. Take care.